What's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your personal email on your school Chromebook. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can hit 50,000 subscribers. Also make sure to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, just go check it out, links in the description below. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time, let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, get your Chromebook here all ready. Then what you want to do on this sign-in screen here is you want to scroll down to apps right here. You want to select it, then click on College Board. I've shown you guys this in my past videos, but using College Board, there is another way to sign in with your personal account using this. So once you're on the screen, click Forgot Username, click that little link right there, click Acknowledge and Return, scroll down, click on their YouTube link, then now you can click Sign In here, and put in your personal home email. Now guys, I am signed in with my personal account on my school computer. Like, I literally can sign into my YouTube channel, watch videos, do anything I want on here, and it's literally just sign in from your school computer, because you can't do that normally, they'll block it. And another cool thing you can do on here is click on here, click on switch account, scroll down to the bottom here, click sign out, then click terms at the bottom, then hit the three dots, then click G search, then click sign in again, choose an account, enter in your password again. Now you'll be signed in on your personal account with Google as well, not just YouTube. I have my personal account here. I'm on Google. I can answer my Gmail on here. I can select that. Look at all my emails. Let's see, I can read all these and go back here to my YouTube, look at my Google Drive, do anything I want on Google Unblocked, sign in with your home account. So yeah guys, this is basically how you sign in with your personal account on your school Chromebook. Enjoy. Yo, thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below, I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.